Hallo und ganz herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Video auf diesem Kanal. Ich bin Johanna, ich bin 16 Jahre alt und bin gerade mit der Organisation Kulturwerke Deutschland für ein Jahr hier in Kanada, Montreal. Und heute machen wir so eine Art Kochvideo, also wir werden Maple Syrup Sticks machen. Ja, genau. Und das ist Lucia und das ist Jette.
Hallo.
Wir machen es zusammen. Also let's go. Okay, first we take maple syrup.
Got a lot of
maple syrup and we put it in a glass. Okay. So we take this and Lucia, you take this maple syrup.
Yeah, maple syrup.
Okay, put it in.
First we put the maple syrup in a container.
Put it in a glass container. And how much?
I don't know how much we want.
Okay, do a lot. Do a lot.
Yeah, we're gonna make a lot.
Okay, so we have this whole
That's
container with maple syrup now, and we put it in the microwave. Where's the microwave? Okay, now we put it in the microwave.
Yes.
Do we not yet? Good! Okay, now we're gonna make the sticks.
Now, for the sticks, if you don't wanna spend money, you can take 4 plastic sticks.
And now we're going to do a test. Okay, I dip it like that?
Yes.
Like that? And then put it inside. Okay, so it's not ready yet, so we do 2 other rounds.
Yay!
Take this and put snow on it.
Good? What do you think?
Yeah, it's good. Maple syrup. Do it like that.
Better now.
Subscribe to Rebecca if you want to see more videos.
Next video, we do part 2.
No, subscribe! Subscribe!
Like,
comment, alarm, and everything.
Follow. Do an exchange here. Bye.